So just to summarize how I did everything, I didn't use that much code. Essentially, I turned this thing to look something like so, right? I took a lot of the stuff in main content out just for clarity, because sometimes you get overwhelmed looking at all this stuff. But I'm kind of taking a topmost approach. So the first thing I did, because on the outermost layer I had container, right? So what I did with container is I positioned it right here. I gave it some padding to the left and to the right, and that way it won't bump into the browser Chrome. And everything then, all my elements inside of there went in line. Next thing I did is I took the nav bar and I floated it to the left, and as a result everything under it went, so it kind of, by taking it out this way, all this other stuff shifted upwards, right? So the consequence was that the breadcrumbs are now up top over here, which is exactly where I want them to be, because if we look at my breadcrumbs should be, it's going to be right underneath here, but I'll do some fancy positioning after that later. That's fine. And all the rest of the content of it is going down the left, just like so. And the final thing that I did is I put a clear on article info to make sure it's always below the navigation bar, so that even if I have a long article like this, if I have a long navigation bar to the left, my article info is always going to be right underneath it, right over here, with of course a little bit of padding, because that's what I